Meine Damen und Herren, liebe Hörerinnen und Hörer, neben mir steht Mark Abrahams, der Gründer und mein großes Vorbild, was die Erklärung von Wissenschaft angeht. Und er grüßt euch live. Please, Mark, say something nice to our Radio 1 Hörerinnen und Hörer, the people who are listening to the show that deals with natural science that sounds fun, but is fun yet good.
Hello, dear audience member. This is Mark Abrams. I am speaking to you from the past. This was recorded yesterday. Now, figure out which day I mean by yesterday.
Dun, dun, dun. Also, continue to listen to our radio show at Radio 1 and also fly over to Harvard University Sanders Theater because every September there's a hilarious show where you also can... Are there still paper planes flying around and stuff?
Yes, all sorts of stuff.
You can meet people from Harvard University, from MIT, and from all over the world when they receive the Ig Nobel Prizes. Anything to say for Germans? Oh yeah, Mark already received some Ampelmännchen gummy bears. What is what do you think about them? Are you going to eat them right away, or are you going to bring them?
I'm trying to digest the existence of these in trying to decide whether to digest these.
Cheers, and
Cheers.
stay tuned to science.